head and neck is a difficult thing for the general surgeon. So they were in that thing. So that time Dr. R.P. Dev saw me sitting in one general OPD. General OPD is you just send the patient to the particular specialist. So he saw me, then he went and requested with the director, sir, Dr. Krishna Bhargava. Sir, he was a Dobi by birth. He has built Kidwai Hospital. So he went there and requested that one girl is sitting there, I want her. So I joined with him as a resident. He used to hold the knife and ask me to cut whatever way his uncle had taught. Just because I like you, so I am teaching you whatever I have learned from my uncle, he said. Then he told me during my residency is we will be learning the surgeries, doing all sorts of work, cleaning the floor, ward floor also, theatre floor also to that extent. So he said, he imagined myself becoming one day like this, when I was a resident. He said, whatever you become in life, but work as a resident, that I learned from my boss, Dr. R.P. Dev. So, sir, while eating in the afternoon lunch time, I met your mentor. So, very nice it was. So, I have planned the projects, family and breast cancer, family and thyroid cancer for both the technology institute, Triple IT Kotem, Triple IT DM Kannur. So, there I invited my boss, sir, to do the live demonstration surgery, Dr. R.P. Dev. He was happily came his mobile, so he could demonstrate, because technology people, however much I talk, it is very difficult to do the project with a human. You work with a machine. So I invited my boss, he came and demonstrated the surgery in the State Cancer Institute. It was very nice thing. So even I have invited my professor that I wanted to share with you all. His mobile. No, up to my knowledge, no one operates like him in India. After 12 hours working with him, assisting his surgeries, at the end of the day, I could able to talk to the patient. That was the dexterity of my boss. So I was lucky enough to get great bosses, great friends. Environment was very wonderful at home. There was financial thing. Whatever mother was earning, she was giving total amount to us. So that was the thing. She was like a bank for us. She never used to think. So that was the atmosphere at home. And sir, they never bothered for these all 6 PhDs with my sisters. How they got the degree, who went for the convocation, they are all grown up on the road. They wanted only me to become the surgeon. That is all the consultation at home. That was the phenomena those days, 50 years back, to prepare the number 1 child. So that rest will be all right. That was the thinking, especially in Kalburgi, Gulbarga, a small place.
Okay, also there's a small announcement for the audience also. If you guys have any follow-up questions, you can please ask them or let the team know. They'll help you. So moving on to the next question.
You want to finish your questions and then take?
Once ma'am answers, if you want, you can.
No, we will finish all these your things. Then at the end, no sir.
Yeah.
So that they will have a lot of questions.
Many have lots of questions.
Yes.
Okay, so the next question is, as the former director of the Kidwai Memorial Institute for Oncology, what was your vision for the institution and how did you strive to bring that vision to life during your tenure?
Vision was to concentrate on the research. Research documentation all was at zero level at Kidwai Hospital. We in my biography book, you will be knowing that we work like farmers, morning we go, we come at the end of the day, we will be tired, we sleep and get up in the morning, and whatever complication we have created with the patient, that will be corrected in the next day. So that is how my 1 year goes, just like that. Half 6 months in the theater, 6 months outside, and with all created complication from outside. Sir, no patient was going home 50 years back when I joined Kidwai. At the end of the day, patient used to, used to become flat. I was expected to certify. So I used to think something to be done for this certification. So that was the scenario. Sir, with the 50 years of research, for the same reason sir has invited me here, I think. With the 50 years of research, now all patients are going home. So that is what, that is the power of research. I joined Kidwai to do the research. So I could get the chance. When I entered Kidwai, first day I saw one article, Mayo Brothers, they were treating the royal families. So I said, my God, something to be done in Kidwai. I thought first day when I entered, I went to the library. That was the Mayo Brothers papers, I saw that. So that was the thing at Kidwai when I became the director. Unethical people were the ethical committee chairman. So I said I will remove this person. So without their knowledge, I removed how can he will guide the students? So I took the interest in the research work. Dr. Krishnamurthy is there, my colleague. We worked together for 40 years. So I made him the member secretary because he is one person, he repairs any mess thing in Kidwai. So he cleaned up everything. Then research work started, and first conference I attended, AstroMeet. Every year it happens. All the clinicians will join together and plan for the globe what treatment should be given for the cancer patient, stage 1 centimeter lesion. All that consensus happens there. So I had the chance to attend that 2002. So once I come to know something, I will give to others. So it was all happening medical side. They were not sharing with us. Surgeons, we just operate, sleep and get up and correct the all complications in the morning. So they had studied it very well. These people, they will not do the research. That was in their mind. So sir, I was sharing with you. I went to Tata Hospital in the 90s. I saw one surgeon, he has done PhD. So I said, my God, this is very beautiful. He stopped operating and started the research on the receptors. So if I want to do something, I must stop that work. I cannot do everything together. So I stopped that. I inculcated the research work with my department, surgical department, where we neglect so much, because we think we are the great people, that superiority complex will be there. We never used to talk to medical people, we never used to talk to radiation oncology, because ours is called a parenting unit, because patient will come and register with us. So friendship with the patient and family occurs in surgical department. Rest of the people only for referring sake. All the even lab people and all. So thanks to Modi ji sir, he has boosted so much lab work, especially the technology. So we can come. That's when sir asked me first meeting. I remember that you give the opening remarks. I did not know what to do because sir, dull people will become the surgeons. Intelligent people will become the medical people. Medical side, because without seeing the cardiac, he will say, oh, how cardiac functions. So, dull people, hard-working, donkey-like working people, they will come to the surgical side. They can stand whole day. They can repair the complications. They can detect the complication. Whereas that intelligent persons will come here to the technical side. That is what I wanted to say. With sir had asked me opening remarks. I wanted to say you, sir, that surgeons. Then I was wondering why central government has made me the chairperson here. What surgeon can do here in this place? Then when I went to Karnool, sir, that I saw that I was talking Dr. Sandeep. He was with patent and he showed me the paper endometriosis. I said, this is my research area. Since I'm interested in the research, so God has sent me for the research job. So I'm here, sir. These people, one fine day, they will get Nobel Prize to India. That's what is my I like this, you sir. Like we were talking so much about the cancer. If I can, in my TV program and all this I talk, if I can talk to anyone for 2 minutes, this history of cancer comes. Sir was sharing his family people. I lost my brother with ovarian cancer, which is incurable, and I lost 2 years back my young sister, just 56 years old, having the cancer of brain deposits. Brain deposits, you just cannot do anything there. I just kept her in the palliative care unit where they will take care of the patient very well. 24 hours care happens. Some 10, 12 people will be helping the patient. So that's what. So this is every. So there is a dictum that cancer affected families should contribute to the field of cancer. That is what has happened because it was once upon a time Western disease. It is now our disease. Like this, we have to join. That's what Modi ji sir has done. Clinical people have to join to the technology people so that both will join and get some solution to the society. Then yourself working in your lab, myself working in my theatre, all this will go on, never ending. So some solution I must be able to give to my society where I have lived, where I am eating, where I have grown up in life. That's what I felt when sir asked me first time BOG meeting. You give the opening remarks. I wanted to tell you, sir, that surgeons, dull people will join the surgical department, whereas technology people will be the intelligent people. That is what is my understanding. Thank you. Next question.
So, ma'am, what inspired you to dedicate your life to service and make such remarkable contribution that led to the Padma Shri recognition?
Father, freedom fighter at Kalburgi. So he never had single naya paisa. He could contribute to the society. I saw that when I was a child. He could give the time to the society. He never used to take care of us. Only mother used to take care of us. So I saw father doing. So I thought I will also do some work like my father. So I used to sleep in Kidwai Hospital only. So my biography book I have dedicated to Kidwai Hospital because your workplace is more important than anything else. Whatever today I am sitting in this beautiful place in front of sir, in front of you all, it is because of my work. So I used to sleep because it is your work. Patient is operated, so I have to be available to the patient calls. You cannot just do the surgery and get away from the patients and practice elsewhere because I am totally paid here in Kidwai. So I have to answer to the Kidwai patients, then somebody else. So that way, this Padma Award, what a beautiful thing. Everyone feels as if they have got the Padma Award. That is what the scenario in Karnataka. Road people, metro, wherever I go, that is the scenario. So, if I can do the service without expectation, I think this way things will come. So, that is what I have given in the book also for the medical people. Next.
Okay, so based on your experience, what is the single most critical infrastructure gap? May it be physical, digital, or transport in Indian cancer care that engineers are best positioned to solve to improve equity of access?
Padma Award, little more to add. I thank Madam Murmu, the President of India. I thank our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Bhai Modi ji. I thank the central government. I have all the appreciation for the home ministry. Home ministry does right from the announcement until we get the award, all the work as if it is their family program, like with so much of affection. You know, they call, secretaries will call us. You don't feel that it is a call from the secretary of the home ministry. That way they talk. So when they announced, the secretary came online and announced, I was in PS, I was in my brother house in Kalburgi. So that was the experience, and I surrendered this award to the Karnataka people who have helped us. When I came to Kidwai Hospital, I was zero. There was no air, no water, no food, no shelter, nothing was there. So God has given everything to me. Karnataka people, they have given us food. Kalburgi people have given us food also. There was no food. My mother never used to have the time to cook for us. So we used to eat only the fruits because fruits was available. Maybe that satvika food helps quite a lot, I think. I surrender this award to the Kidwai patients. I surrender this award to the Kidwai family, Kidwai patient family members who believed in the treatment of Kidwai and came to us. So, again, I thank sir, for having given me such a beautiful chance to see you all, talk to you in person. What a great thing. About Indian cancer care, again, we have to concentrate more on the research than the infrastructure. Research is, I read when I was in the 90s when I started doing the research that government is spending only 2% of the budget on the research. Maybe we have to work more towards that. And you are all young people. You are going to see India as a superpower. Maybe you have to work more for the cancer, which is eating our money, time, eating the people. First, poverty was there. My brother took care, but human loss becomes too much. So first loss was my mother. So it was hell for us. We could not manage. We became so dull because she was a decision maker at home. So human loss becomes too much for our family, so we have to protect, and it is all with you all. You are going to witness the superpower. You are going to do the research. Abroad people will come to you all. That is what I imagine. When I was a resident, I was getting a 900 rupees stipend. So I was expected to go to all the wards and make the voting list. So while doing the rounds, I going to each bed of the patient. I used to say that I have to rule this place. So that is how you have to imagine. So that is visualization. So you must work for India, build the nation. Sir was talking about that nation building. So nation, unless we have the nation, we just cannot think of doing anything. You know better than me, especially the research work. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you. Any questions? I am able to give you the answer.
Leading a surgical department is like leading a high-stakes team. What was your most effective strategy for fostering collaboration and maintaining high performance standards?
Surgical department is surgical onco, especially it's a male field. I have to accept today also. It is a male field because 12-hour surgery. It's a difficult proposition as such, but my environment was so good. All of them, they joined after me. So that way they were juniors. So I could manage the show. Otherwise, otherwise you cannot manage a department like surgical oncology. They came and joined in front of me. So I was the head. So they could listen to me. Otherwise, so environment. I was lucky enough, and I got very nice bosses. All that helped me quite a lot because from day one I was there. So that way, otherwise it is a male field. you have to be very, very, very sharp decision maker. You must be able to convince the patient families whether you are doing surgery or not. That is all. If you are not doing surgery, at least we can send them home. So that happens. Sir, I used to give the bed to the Gulbarga patients because those days 2000 rupees was like a 2 lakhs rupees. So Gulbarga patient with that scare and all, with one patient some 10 people used to come. So 10 people expenditure will be too much. So I used to give them bed. So all that became the recognition. All chief ministers my father knew, and then they started sending me the patients, all chief ministers, all VIPs. So my unit was called a VIP unit. So that way, my juniors they came and joined in front of me. With that I could manage. Otherwise, very difficult because it is a male field. It is male field. That is all. Few can work like a male, and some of them can do. It is possible, but environment you should get that beautiful environment. That Bhargava sir was empowering women. He took me as a surgeon. Otherwise, those days, no one used to believe you as a surgeon. That was the thing. So once I take up the surgery, I should do it. That performance, that also is there. So with all that, I could manage. May God, my father has helped many helpless people. All those blessings. In one generation, we are enjoying that. I wanted to share. We have got the food. Some 3 generations will not get the food, I believe. So we have got the food very, very, very happy. God has given the food, dignified food. So where you are not desperate for the food. That is what I wanted to share with you all. Thank you so much. Sir, thank you again with your team. Questions?
Questions you guys would like to ask?
Is there? There is one more question. Last question. There is one more. That's very, very interesting. Yeah. You finish up that. Very, very interesting. No one has. I have been on the road like sir for the last 8 months. The time this Padma was awarded, no one asked that question. That is IIT IFM. So last question. No one asked this question. Sir, 2 more questions are there. Yeah.
How will you measure the success of your life?
Success, what I get from the society, what is my attitude. This book is only thanking the people who have given us food, who have helped us all along our life, at all stages. So that is what is the success I measure. That other one.
Would you like to be reborn as Vijay Lakshmi Deshpande?
This question no one has asked me. This yes, I am very much. I want to be Vijayalakshmi only if divine intervention happens with the same family, same parents. No one asked this question. This should be written in a golden letters. That's what I felt. Thank you. Thank you so much. There was one question. You are going to do the research, so only you are here. Rest of the people are not there. They are not going to do the cancer research. You want to do the cancer research, so you are here with that all cloudy thing, dull thing outside.
Namaste, madam. I am Mayur. I am a faculty in the Department of Material Science here. What your journey has been and inspirational. What I found really fascinating, madam, is even today there are a lot of girl students. Literally we have to convince sometimes the parents to allow them for PhD. So it is unimaginable what had driven your parents to let their daughters do PhD and have such a big vision for you to become a surgeon. I mean, if you can share.
I don't know. I heard them talking, we'll send Vijay to, medical. I said, my God, I never imagined. I thought they will keep me in Gulbarga only. That was my imagination. The way they were discussing, both of them, we'll send Vijay to medical college. I said, oh my God, even I have to be ready to fight with the cancer. So like that I ended in the Kidwai. Kidwai, it was very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. No patient was going home. Even my bosses, when I was doing MS, from the MS I went to Bellary, I did MS. So they did the meeting whether to send her there or not, because all patients are dying. What is the use of sending her? They did the meeting. Then they said even one day patient survives and give the signature, all property thing and all. No, it is worth doing service there. They decided themselves. Evening this time they did the meeting whether to send her Kidwai or not. So much my bosses were concerned. So I overheard my father, mother discussing, we will send her to medicine. I thought they will not send me outside Kasturgi. So their decision, their mental preparation, then so I adjusted to their thinking. That is how I landed in surgery. And Gulbarga, if we say surgery, they will ask for the discharge. So my survival is important. So I told my father, you get me beautiful institution, you get me big institution. So he did all that whatever I requested, because he knew all the people there earlier. It was not the way you were facing the competition. It was zero competition, I should say. Whatever you were asking, we were getting those days. With somebody's call, some contact. So I have grown in life with the contacts. Contact is very, very important. That I wanted to make it very clear. So with the contact I have grown. Everywhere, till today, Baburao, my father named Baburao. Baburao, daughter has come do the work. They used to talk, these ministers. She has come, you help her. That was the thing I heard. So that gave me the energy, like my father knows so many people. Why can't I exploit this situation? That was, when I was a child, I got this idea. He knows all the people. No one said no till today. This is my 70+ years. Yes. Never said no. VIP said you go back with empty hands. All helped us. So that was the maybe my father friendship. All that. Mother was very, very bold. She was highly determined, very disciplined. Amma. With her one stare, we used to be in our places. That was the Amma we had. Father, moral support. How this world functions, all that he used to narrate properly. What education can do in life. So in that book it is there, education.
Namaste, Dr. Vijayalakshmi. I am Shraddha. I am from the Department of Liberal Arts. And with my supervisor, Professor Mahathi, we are actually doing psycho-oncology research. And my interest is with parents of children who have cancer. I wanted to ask you, because you are both a surgeon and a researcher, what can we as researchers do more to make sure that the healthcare system becomes very robust in supporting the patients and the families of people who have cancer?
Very, very beautiful question. There was one Dr. Appaji, very, very great pediatrician, pediatric oncologist. So very much dedicated, So I said that I used to sleep in Kidwai. So I overheard children telling to the mother, if Appaji tells only, then we will take this treatment, not you were telling. So that way, and one thing to know about pediatric oncology is it's curable. All patients they live, that one thing. And psycho-onco is very much required. Psycho-onco. My sister, once she was admitted, she used to talk about the workplace all the time. That was a very big headache for us. Then a psychiatrist was called. With one tablet she became alright. She stopped talking about her workplace. So that is the importance of your psycho-onco work.